how to listen to Spotify songs offline. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can listen to Spotify songs online. So before starting anything, you need to know one thing that you can listen to Spotify songs only if you're using a Spotify Premium. So here first make sure to take Spotify Premium and after that we'll move forward to the process. So here if you have a Spotify Premium then what you have to do is simply open the Spotify app and after that first you have to make sure that you have an active Spotify Premium subscription because offline listening is not available on the free version. And after that, you can simply find the playlist, album, or the podcast that you want to listen. And once you have found that, then what you can do is simply add them to your library. So here, simply add it to your library. And here, once you have added them to your library, then what you can do is simply go there to your library and open that particular playlist. And once you have opened it, you can simply download by simply tapping on the download icon to download the playlist to listen it offline. And that's it. That's how you can listen to Spotify songs offline. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.